Hello and welcome back to the channel, people, and today is a very exciting day, if you say so myself. What makes it so exciting is this thing. I finally get to work on it. Since the Civic takes up so much of my time, I don't really get to focus on some of my other builds, and this is one of them. I haven't been able to focus on this thing for months. Like, it's been getting straight neglect, like stepchild treatment. But before we even start the video, how about you like the video for your boy? You know, come on, man. Like, I'm struggling, please. Just subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Hold on, I'm gonna add a tutorial. Pretty easy, right? Now you try. I'll wait. Okay, I'm done waiting. Today we're doing the engine work. So we're taking out that engine, which is no bueno, and we're putting in this engine, which is like muy bien bueno something. I don't know how to speak Spanish. But first, let's start by getting the engine off the bike, and then we're going to take off the carburetor. Yeah, all it took was like 2 simple bolts. Oh, chill. It was put together poorly. People got the carburetor off. I did pretty good, if I do say so myself. So let's get this installed. But it's kind of dirty though. Alright, carburetor is finally on. Now, let's see if it will actually fit on the bike. But like, before I do that though, like, like imagine me just pulling up with my bike, like. Okay, that's a bad angle. Chill. Okay, problem. The engine doesn't fit, but I kind of already knew that though. I had a feeling that the chassis needs to go under like some heavy fabrication, but honestly, I just wanted to try, see if it will fit, test my luck, and it's yeah. But before I end the video, we are getting closer and closer every day to swapping out this engine. And summer's near, so I'll have more time on my hands to play around with the Honda. So stay tuned for that, but other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.